Welcome to the MakerSpace, OU Library's newest resource. Here you'll find new state-of-the-art technology brought in to help students be creative in new ways. In the MakerSpace, students can bring in objects to scan with our 3D scanner. Students can also bring in their own 3D files that they have designed and work with our MakerSpace team to get these items printed for a fee. Students can cut or engrave their designs onto materials that they have brought in using either our laser cutter or our vinyl cutter machines. Students can also use our many other available tools to create and design even more cool things. Not familiar with the technology? Don't worry, our MakerSpace lab assistants can help you out. They can answer questions such as project pricing, appropriate materials for the machines, how to use the machines, and a whole lot more. Stop by today to learn more about our new space and start creating. MakerSpace. Create, connect, and inspire.